Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. This is a second in the post series. This is number 7, in the post number 7. This card here that you see, Roger Bannister. One was in the last post box and this one's for this post box. I've received it twice from Change Checker with coins that I've ordered. I also have the Victoria Across the Medals and Mr. Jeremy Fisher. Now all 4 of those cards are ones that are swaps. The one that isn't is this one here that I'm going to this is Diversity Built Britain. It's one of the 3 cards that are issued not so long back by there was this one, there was the Brexit, and I believe the other one was the Silver Jubilee. Now if I can just get my folder out, I will be doing an update on this. See, we have the Public Library's Dictionary and the Victoria Cross, which were the first 3 to be issued just recently. Now I've got the first of the second set to be released this year of 3, which is the Diversity. As I say, the other 2 in the series are the Brexit and also, I believe, the last one is the Silver Jubilee one, but I'm not 100% sure of that. I'm still waiting to find that out. So, excuse me, I'm still 2 missing from completing the set. I will be doing a full video on the trading cards in the near future and going through all the ones that I have ready for swapping. The first thing that I need to talk about in this one is I have a whole load of sports coins. To that I need to add this one here. Ooh, here we go. You make that one out, it's the Birmingham Commonwealth Games. Now in here I do have 2 or 3 other cards that need to go into my set, including this one here, which is an FA Cup £2 one. Now Change Checker, I think it was last year, bought out a sports one asking collectors, seeing if they could collect all of the Olympic Games. I expanded that from not just all of the Olympic Games but also all the sports coins that the UK's issued. I think I've probably got about 3 or 4 after this lot left. However, to see what the full ones are, there's an update coming soon of the sports coins. Now you've already seen one of them. I have 2 more of these, the Commonwealth Games ones. Now the reason for me having 2 more is one will go into the blue card, one will be taken out of this blue card, as will the sports one for the sports edition, and will go into my master album in a flip. So there's 2 Commonwealth Games there. I'm holding this back. I am due to get the colour bunk pack for the Commonwealth Games and then I'll do a review of all 3. I don't know if you remember the last in the post series, but I did have the coloured bunk for this particular coin. Let me just take that up a bit, I think. let's just do it that way. There are two more Pride coins. I do have the coloured one. There, these two Pride coins are, again, one will go into my blue card, the second one will go into my master album once I've taken it out of the blue card and put it in a flip. The next coin in the American Women's series for the quarters has just arrived on my doorstep. Let me just take it in. It's celebrating the lady who is the first lady who was a chieftain of one of the indigenous Indian tribes, or one of the spokeswomen. I will be again doing a separate video on this and giving you a bit more background information about the lady concerned. I thought so. At least one coin in there, possibly two. There's one coin in there, good. This is the other single coin I've got. This is a €2 coin, the standard one for Monaco. It shows Prince Albert I. Now these aren't, they don't mint many of the €2 coins on the for Monaco, which is one of the microstates. So when I got the opportunity to get one, I got it. We then go to Popjoy. That is the second in the series of the £2 coins. Now this one was just recently shown by Caledonian Coins. It said it was his ideal £2. It had a Scotsman in a kilt with bagpipes and a penguin. And seen as Pocket Poet calls him Penguin Daddy, you can see why. You'll have to look into that. It's something to do, I believe, with Callie always finding the penguin coins from the various entourages. So that's the second in the Antarctic series. And I believe this is the last one, coin 4, in the coin 4 in the Platinum Jubilee series from the Commonwealth and Dependencies. I will be doing a full review on the full set of those. And last, but by no means least, we have a coin from the German states. This was prior to Germany becoming a country, a full country in its own rights. This one, I believe, is late 1700s. It's one of a right Mark Fennick. I have all the information of this coin, and when I do the review I will talk you through it. I don't have all the information to hand right at this moment in time, but it is from the German states prior to Germany becoming a single country. It's a German state prior to all of the German states coming together to make up Germany. So that ends in the coin post number 7. If you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, could you please think about doing so, as I'd be delighted to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you will find at least one video that you want to watch. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. And for those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, until we meet up again, bye bye for now. Ta-da!